Students, today I shall discuss the topic struggle for women's equality and rights. So, gender inequality is often treated as natural, but scholars have shown that the inequalities between men and women are social rather than natural. For example, there are no biological reason that can explain why few women are found in positions of public power, nor nature can explain why women generally receive a smaller or no share in family property in most of the societies. And this argument comes from the societies that were different from the normal pattern. If women were biologically unfit to be inheritors and head of families, how did matrilineal societies like the Nayars of Kerala used to be matrilineal? And the Khasis of Meghalaya still followed the norms of matrilineal system of family. And African women managed to be successful farmers and traders. So there is nothing biological about inequalities that mark the relations between men and women. Gender is thus a form of social inequality and exclusion like caste and class with its own specific features. So there is no such difference between men and women in social terms. And in our society, some sections of people for their own benefit made the rule that one can do that or other can do that or cannot do some kinds of activities because of their own profit, as norms are implicit. So for their own benefit, one sections of people made some rules and regulations in the society, and we are just blindly following that. So women's question arose in modern India as part of the 19th century middle class social reform movement, and the nature of this movement varied from region to region, and they are termed as middle class reform movement because many of these reformers were from the newly emerging Western educated Indian middle class. Because those who oppose the system, they belongs to the educated section, and educated section from the middle class, and were inspired by the democratic ideals of the modern West and by the pride of their own democratic traditions of the past. So those who oppose the gender inequality, they follow both Western and Indian ideologies. Okay. For example, anti-sati campaign led by Raja Ram Mohan Roy and widow remarriage movement led by Rana De, and caste and gender oppression, all those issues were raised by Jyotiba Phule. Social reform movement in Islam led by Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. So these were few reformers we need to learn in this part. Okay, so in the next slide I'll discuss about all these social reformers. Thank you.